guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Ego and this is Love Ego. Today I'm coming to you from the comfort of my bedroom floor. I'm coming to you from my bedroom floor and I am in the middle of a reorganization slash revamping slash decluttering slash review of my entire life. I'm trying to get my life in order and I'm starting with my workspace. So I thought I should quickly pop on here and do an IKEA haul. My room is also my office, so I have like a room section and then I have this small section which like I'm in the office section of my room, which is what I'm actually like more focused on revamping. So today in this video I'm going to be showing you the things that I purchased, and I'm also going to be doing a slight home decor tour just to show you some of the things that I already have that I use to manage my space. I have a small room here in New York, as you would know if you know what apartments in New York is like. So, and after this video I'm going to be sharing like the full reorganization video. That is what I'm working on. That is why my place looks like a mess, you guys. That is like, you see all my books, like things are on the floor. You don't even want to see what is going on behind the camera. It is just, it's a lot. I barely have any floor space because of quarantine. You obviously can't, well, at least for where I am, because of quarantine you can't go into the stores right now, but you can order online, which is what I did. I ordered online, but they couldn't deliver everything, so I went to the store and I picked it up. The one thing I would say, if you are going to try that, if you're going to order and pick it up, go ahead of time. Like the waiting period, depending on the time that you're going to go, can be a while, but it's pretty very efficient. It's a click and collect. You just go there and they give you a number to stand in line and they kind of bring a cart with all your stuff in it. So I went, I picked up all the stuff that I needed. It took about 45 minutes, but still I was done. I was on my way back. So the main reason why I really decided to just do all of this from IKEA right now, at the time when I started looking for the things, like making a mental note of what I needed and what I wanted to buy, was because I needed a new nightstand, and I ideally would have wanted it to be white because I'm kind of trying to match all my furniture and make them white or like grayish or silver, whatever. But the Nibodia, I hope I'm pronouncing that correctly, the Nibodia nightstand that I actually wanted was sold out. Because that was out of stock, I ended up getting a Sets, let me check the name, Sets Cog. I say IKEA names, they kill me. I ended up getting a Sets Cog nightstand anyway, which, now thinking about it, this actually will help manage my space a lot better than the other one would. And I don't mind, but I just need a place where I can store like my books for when I'm going to bed, and I need something that I can put a lamp on, and this does the job perfectly. Everything else apart from the nightstand that I got was actually for storage. The first thing I picked were the storage boxes that are really good for storing away your fall or winter clothes. You can just dry clean or wash your winter clothes, your sweaters or whatever, and put them away, so that way your closet isn't cramped up. I usually get those. I got one for my brother and I got two for myself, and what I do is I put the things that I want in them, and then I either put them in our closets in the house or I put them under my bed. I also got some storage boxes, some plain like regular paper storage boxes for keeping files and books, to kind of organize my bookshelves. So I got one big one, and these are really helpful. This is my first time getting them in plain white, but I've had some that I've been using for about 4 years here, and they're very good now. So I got the big one and I got this really small one. I got two of these really small ones, and then I also got clear plastic boxes. Now this I got for storing fabric. I didn't want to expose the fabrics that I use for my DIYs or for work on my shelves anymore, so I thought this would be a nice way to just organize the fabrics. And with this I can just look through it and see what fabric I'm looking for without even having to open it, so I know where everything is. So I got two of those. Oh, and before I forget, I should tell you, these two actually go for $10. That's like the top and the lid together. I got two of those. The two of them go for $10. That's like $5 each, rough. And the big white storage box actually was about $3.99, or I think $4.99. I'm actually not sure. And the smaller ones go for $1.99. So I got two of these, and then I got these magazine files. I have a lot of files, I have a lot of folders from like my magazine subscriptions and from when I used to work, some school stuff that I still kind of go through and review occasionally. So they're called the Flip magazine files, and they are 5 and they all go for $1.99, so $2. I also got some iron-on hemming tape, but I don't know where I put that. I hope I didn't lose it, and I hope they actually packed it in. Now that I think about it, I actually don't remember seeing it. So I also got these desk organizers that is basically just a box with 3 other boxes that sits on a tray. It was very easy to organize and I really liked it. This actually has nothing to do with the video itself, but like one of the things that I like about ordering stuff or ordering like package storage things like that, they usually come with plain boxes like this. Now this I just had the idea to decorate it and see if I can turn it into a notice board or something, because I need those to put my sticky notes on. So I may actually do a DIY on this, so look out for that. I'm very excited to see what that will turn into. Okay, so now that I've shown you what I got and what the products are and what they look like, I'm going to take you on that mini home decor tour to show you the things that I got from IKEA, or that I have from IKEA that help me manage my small living space, because I'm telling you, it is hard, especially if I have a queen size bed, which in retrospect I probably shouldn't have gotten. I should have just gotten a full bed. I also at the same time don't really regret it. So there's that, and coupled with the fact that I work and live in my room at the same time. So the things that I get from IKEA have really helped me manage my space, and hopefully now that I've gotten this new set of things, it will help me get into, because I have a lot more I don't even know how. I have like it's just all the DIY things and the books and the arts and crafts stuff and fabrics that I have lying around. That's just what makes it. And I don't have a separate office space. But I should also put that this is not a sponsored video. IKEA is not paying me for this video. It's just I've just used their products for quite a while. It's actually what I've been using since I've been in the US. And their products are sleek, they're classy looking, they make space manageable, and you can find affordable versions of everything that you want. So first we're going to start with my wardrobe, which I've had for about a year now. And I had to get it because my room doesn't come with a built-in wardrobe, so that was an essential for me to get. And it's really nice because it comes with a mirror already, so I didn't have to, even though I already had a full-length mirror, I didn't have to worry too much about getting a mirror or putting a mirror on it, because it just comes with that included. I like how it's demarcated. I like how it's arranged. It's demarcated exactly how I would like. Next, I'm going to be showing you my bookcases and my shelving units. I've had them for about 3.5 years now. I first bought 2, and then when we decided to move again, I ended up getting another 2, and they are lifesavers. And then I also have this shoe rack. It comes in 2s, but over the years I've gotten 3, and I just kind of mount them on top of each other. But in and of itself, it comes in just 2 layers and 2 levels. So the reason why I have multiple levels is because this is a combination of multiple racks that I've gotten over the years. And then there's my dresser. This dresser, actually, there's a slightly funny story attached to it. I was looking for a dresser, but I didn't have enough money to get one. A brand new one was outside of my budget at the time. So what I did was I decided to go on OfferUp, and I decided to go on Wayfair, and I decided to go to the Facebook Marketplace. On the Facebook Marketplace, I found this dresser, and the person literally just asked if anyone wanted the dresser. So I DM'd the person, sent the person a message asking them how much the dresser was going for, and he was like, oh, he's actually not taking money for it. He just wants someone to come and take it off his hands. And I was like, should I? It just sounded too good to be true. So I asked the person for his address so I could come pick it up. Called my brother because I was like, I'm not going here alone. This is how people meet the killer, and this is not how I plan on going. So I told my brother to follow me, and we went there, and it was just a really nice man with his wife and his kid, and they were really just giving away their dresser. Well, I guess now that I'm telling it out loud, it's actually not that funny of a story. It's just an interesting story. I got my dresser for free, so I actually didn't have to pay for it. Then I have wall hangers or hooks that I use to hang jackets and bags and hats and things that I also got from IKEA. And then this really cute lantern. Sometimes when I'm feeling fancy, I put a candle in it, and it's really nice decor, but it's actually also helps with it's functional. So I got this too. I also, every time I go to IKEA, I always pick up candles. But I do that anytime I go shopping. Like if I go to Target, I pick up candles. If I go to Home Goods, I pick up candles. If I go to Burlington, I pick up candles. Someone used to stop me. I have a problem. Yeah. And my fake plants too. Not this one. This one I actually got from Home Goods, but my other smaller potted plants, like fake potted plant, because I haven't learned this. I don't have a green thumb, so everything I touch kind of dies. That is going to be like in the next phase of my life. That's something I'm going to work towards, keeping plants alive, because I like it, I love it, but I need to have a more manageable space to make that work, and right now that's just not something I can handle. And then the last but not least, which is what I consider to be one of my favorite finds on IKEA, is my working table. It's my sewing table, it's my office table, but it's not just the table that is it, it's the legs. I remember the first time I saw it, like, this is the answer to my prayers, because it has a mini storage shelving system at the bottom of the legs. I'm going to find, I've forgotten what the name is, I don't have the paper with me right now, but I love this table so much. I really do. I think it is one of the most ideal things you can get if you're a DIY person or you make your own clothes at home. If you have a sewing room, this is a very efficient table. Guys, that is it for my haul. I hope you liked it. I hope it was informative enough for you. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and follow me on Instagram at love_ego. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. I look forward to seeing you in my next video.